in a consignment of electric lamps, in a consignment of electric lamps, 5% are defective. 5% are defective. If a random sample, if a random sample of 8 lamps are inspected, what is the probability? What is the probability that one or more lamps, one or more lamps are defective? One or more lamps are defective. Yes. So here let us start the solution by taking probability of defective lamp is equal to P. Probability of defective lamp is equal to P. So 5% means 5 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.05. This is our P. Now we have to find out Q. Q is equal to 1 minus P. So 1 minus 0.05. So we get 0.95. 0.95. So here number of lamps they have given. So number of lamps means n is equal to 8. So write the formula, that is P of x is equal to NCx P power x Q power n minus x. So our n value is 8, C, x I will write as it is 0.05, that is P value, Q value is 0.95, 8 minus x. So here x is denotes the defective lamp, where you can mention x denotes a defective lamp. X denotes a defective lamp. So here they have given only the one thing that we have to find out. Find the probability of one or more lamps are defective. Means P of one or more lamps. One or more lamps defective. One or more lamps defective. That is one or more means one, or means we have to use the plus symbol in the probability. 1 P of 1 plus P of 2 up to more lamps means up to 8 lamps we have to mention. Instead of finding 1 to 8, we can use at least formula, that is 1 minus of P of 0, because they have given it starts from 1 or more. One or more lamps are defective. So here we can use the at least condition. Instead of finding P1 to P8, we can use at least condition, that is 1 minus P of 0. Because why I am mentioning 0? Because they have started from 1 here. So again 1 minus P of 0 means 8C0, 0.05 whole power 0, because x value is 0, 0.95 power 8 minus 0, that is 1 minus 8C0. This value is 1 because we have power 0, then 0.95 whole power 8, 0.33
65.
Yes, 0.3365. This is the answer. The probability that a person aged 60 years will live up to 70 is 0.65. The probability that a person aged 60 years will live up to 70. What is the probability? What is the probability that out of 10 persons, out of 10 persons aged 60, at least 7 of them will live up to 70. So here they have given a 60-year aged person. They can live up to 70 years. So that probability condition they have given 0.65. So they are counting for 10 persons. If in the 10 persons of 60 aged, in that at least 7 of them will live up to 70 years. So here what we have to take, P directly they have given, that is 0.65. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 0.65. So how much we get here?
0.35.
Yes, 0.35. This is P and Q value. Now write the formula. Consider P of x is equal to NCx P power x Q power n minus x. Now we have to find, see the condition, at least 7 of them, or greater than or equal to 7 also we can write. At least they have given, so it may be a greater than or equal to 7. Either you can find out from 0 to 6 or 7 to 10, at least condition. So here we can see what is the probability out of 10 person. Here n is equal to 10. Person aged 60, at least in out of 10, at least 7 of them will live up to 70. So P of x greater than or equal to 7. So we can start P of x is equal to 7 plus P of x is equal to 8, P of x is equal to 9 plus P of x is equal to 10. Either you can select from 0 to 7 or 7 to 10. Both we get the same answer. So here write x is equal to 7. So n is 10, C 7, P value is 0.65 whole power 7, Q value 0.35 whole power 10 minus 7 plus 10C8 0.65 whole power 8 0.35 10 power 8. Next 10C9 0.65 whole power 9 into 0.35 10 power 9 plus 10C10 0.65 whole power 10, 0.35 whole power 10 minus 10, 0.5138. The number of telephone lines busy at an instant of time is a binomial variate with probability 0.1 that a line is busy. If 10 lines are chosen at random, what is the probability that no line is busy? First one. Second one, all lines are busy. Third one, at least one line is busy. Fourth one, at most two lines are busy. So here we can directly take our p-value, that is p is equal to 0.1. Next, number of lines they have given, n is equal to 10. So q is equal to 1 minus p, that is equal to 1 minus 0.1. So what is the q value here? What is the q value? Yes, 0.9. Yes, 0.9. Next, consider p of x is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. Now, first one, no line is busy. No line is busy means directly we can write p of x is equal to 0. So n is 10, c x value is 0, p value is 0.1 whole power 0, q value is 0.9, 10 minus 0. So 10c 0 into 1 into 0.9 whole power 10, 0.3486 or 87. Next, all lines are busy. All lines are busy means how many number of lines? 10 lines. So p of x is equal to 10. So 10c10 0.1 whole power 10, 0.9 whole power 10 minus 10. So 10c10 means 1 into 0.1 whole power 10. This we can write only 0.1 whole power 10. Next, third one, at least one line is busy. So P, at least one line is busy. So here 1 minus P of 0 at least. So 1 minus 10C0, 0.1 whole power 0, 0.9, 10 minus 0. So already P of 0 we have found here. This is the P of 0 value. So you can directly do the substitution. 1 minus 0.3486, 0.6514. Last one, at most 2 lines are busy. So P of at most 2 lines are busy. At most means we have to start with P of 0, P of 1 plus P of 2. So P of 0 value we already know that we can write directly 0.3486 for P of 1. 10C1 0.1 whole power 1, 0.9, 10 minus 1 means 9, plus 10C2 0.1 whole power 2, 0.9, 10 minus 2, that is 8. Find. Yes. In a quiz contest, of answering yes or no, what is the probability? What is the probability of guessing at least 6 answers correctly? 6 answers correctly out of 10 questions. Out of 10 questions asked. Also, find the probability. Also, find the probability of the same. If there are 4 options for a correct answer. 4 options for a correct answer. So here in this problem, they have given 2 types. First one, yes or no method. Second one is 4 options like multiple choice question. So here for yes or no, we can take, let X denote the correct answer. So here I can take equal, P is equal to 1 by 2 equal distribution. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 for yes or no. So here P of X is equal to NCX P power X Q power N minus X. This is the formula. How many questions they have given? They have given 10 questions. So here you can write n is equal to 10. Now, first one, at least 6 answers correctly out of 10 questions. Probability of guessing at least 6 answers. So P of x greater than or equal to 6. So here we can write 10C, first one is 6, again 0.5, x value is 6, 0.5, 10 minus 6 because number of question is 10 minus 6, x value is 6. Next 10C7, 0.5 whole power 7, that is x value. 0.5, 10 minus 7 is 3. Next 10C8, 0.5 whole power 8, 0.5 whole power 2 plus yes, here I missed 10C9, 0.5 whole power 9, that is x value. 0.5, 10 minus 9 is 1 plus 10C10, 0.5 whole power 10, again 0.5, 10 minus 10, that is more simplified method also you can do. I just write here other one. N is 10, C x, P is 0.5 x and Q is also 0.5, 10 minus x. One more simplest method. So 10cx, here when base are same you can add or subtract the power. So 0.5 whole power x plus 10 minus x. So here you can write 10cx 0.5 whole power 10 as a common, then start giving the values for x. In both the method you will get the same answer. 0.3769. Zero point 3769. This is the for first one. Now go back for the second one, that is 4 options. So whenever you are finding out the P and Q, must be with the equal distribution. Suppose if they not mention the P value in the question. So here 4 options means, here you can write when there are 4 options, because clearly they have mentioned. Also find the probability of the same if there are 4 options for a correct answer. So 4 options means P is equal to 1 should be correct out of 4. So P is equal to 1 by 4. Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4, and N is also same 10. N is also same here. Now P of x is equal to NCx P power x Q power n minus x. N value is 10, C x, P value is 1 by 4 whole power x, Q value is 3 by 4, 10 minus x. Here I will group the term 10cx 1 by 4. Here from 3 by 4 I just separate 1 by 4. So x plus 10 minus x, again 3 power 10 minus x I will write as it is. 3 power 10 minus x I will write as it is. So x will get cancelled. So 10cx 1 by 4 whole power 10, 3 power 10 minus x. This is the simplification. P of x greater than or equal to 6 means P of 6 plus P of 7 plus P of 8 plus P of 9 plus P of 10. So here common term is 1 by 4 power 10, that I will write outside. So open the bracket, 10c6 3 power 10 minus 6 is 4 plus 10c7 3 power 3 10 minus 7, 10c8 3 power 10 minus 8 is 2. Next 10c9 10c9 3 power 1. Last one 10c10 3 power 0. Yes, 0.01972 is the answer.